I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your VW Atlas cabin air filter. First, gather your tools, a new cabin air filter and a T20 torque screwdriver. Make sure your vehicle is parked safely with the engine off. The cabin air filter is located behind the glove box on the passenger side of your Atlas. Let's get started by preparing the area for access. Now open your glove box all the way. You'll see two T20 torque screws at the very top. Use your screwdriver to carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the glove box forward. It should detach from its hinges, allowing you to set it aside and gain access to the filter housing behind it. This step is crucial for reaching the filter. With the glove box removed, you'll see the cabin air filter housing cover. It usually has two small retaining tabs. Unclip these tabs and carefully pull the cover off. Now, gently slide the old, dirty cabin air filter straight out of its slot. Take note of its orientation. Grab your new filter and insert it, making sure the airflow arrow on the filter points downwards, just like the old one. This ensures proper air circulation. Finally, let's put everything back together. First, reattach the filter housing cover, ensuring both retaining tabs click securely into place. Next, align the glove box with its hinges and gently push it back until it's seated correctly. Reinsert and tighten the two T20 torque screws at the top of the glove box. Give the glove box a good close to confirm it latches properly. You've successfully changed your cabin air filter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.